Guys, Puppy Game YT, and I'm back with another video. Yesterday I got something new, this Porsche 959 diecast car, which will go well with my other collection cars, like my Jeep and my Ferrari. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. This is what you call a real diecast car. Not like these. This is a real one. This is made from Barago. Let's see here, Barago. Porsche 959. Made in Italy, which is pretty rare to find. And 1/24 scale like all the other ones I own. Except for this truck here, which I have to tighten the door screw because it's just weak. It should be this like that, but this is also very weak. So let's just look at it. It looks really nice. I just like it. This looks 959 is a nice looking car. I got here the car from my last video. The 911 Turbo opens the doors, which will go well with the 959. See this orange thing here? This is my huge Porsche. See, it's enormous. My Porsche 911 GT3 RS. See here, it's got steering. It also has steering, just like my Ferrari, which has a plastic steering that kind of just returns to the center. This one's a real steering mechanism, real rack and pinion. See that? The steering wheel moves like a real car. Like these rims in the 959. It's underneath. It's only held by 2 screws. Here is the rear, which looks really cool. It looks super futuristic. This at the time was super futuristic. It still is super futuristic. So here is the hood and the Boxer 6 engine. It's super detailed because it's a Barago. And it's kind of good. It's not like this, where it's just this hollow thing. This is a real full-on sculpted plastic. This, I'm not gonna do a build video like all my other vehicles. I'll probably not do that because it's a collection car, not a toy like this or this. It doesn't open the front because it's not big enough really, because this opens and that wouldn't really fit together, especially how this is designed to open this way, and there isn't really much space here between the dash. Let's look at the interior. It has the 2-spoke steering, which you don't even find anymore. It's a manual, as you can see. Look on the other side, cause get better lighting. See, look at that. It's the interior. In here, there's an actual hole in here, so it's pretty realistic to a real car. It actually passes through. You can see that hole. It's a real hole. Chairs look really nice. There are back seats in here. So that is the car review. I'm going to compare it in scale. We also have the big 1/8 scale compared to the 1/24 scale. I also forgot to compare it with the Ferrari. As you can see, it is almost the same size. Obviously, older cars are smaller. You can see compared to the Ferrari. Pretty close size. And the camera. See, look. They're just barely like 2 inches away from being the same size. And that's front to back. The side, you can see both sides. Cars. So that's like that. In comparison with this Jeep, which is enormous compared to this. The Jeep is obviously pretty huge compared to all my diecast cars, especially this truck. Just the wrong scale, it's a 1/27. Let's see. Find the words. 1/27, right there. So it's not the right scale, but it's still very long. You see, it just behind the wheel. So let's compare it to other Porsches. Here, the 911 Turbo. I already compared it to this. But, got this diecast car. I have a lot of cars. I'm gonna make a lot of videos on all the cars they are. Here's a rank up compared to all my other Porsches. That's pretty cool. So that is my 959. It's really cool, but got some other comparisons to it, like this Ford Mustang. This drag strip Ford Mustang. It's still super long. See myself there. Yeah, that's my video. It's on the 959. It's just a cool car and a cool diecast collection car. Like this. This is a collection car. It's huge. So yeah, that's my video. See you guys in the next video.